Modern trucks are really great these days. They're comfortable, they're capable, but unfortunately sometimes they're actually really easy to steal. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how you can prevent theft. The most common way thieves are stealing vehicles today is actually by stealing the signal from your key fob, because these key fobs are actually always constantly emitting a signal to communicate with your vehicle. That's why you can actually walk up to the vehicle, unlock the doors, because there's that constant communication. So there's a way to actually prevent that. You can put this into sleep mode by holding down the lock button and then pressing the unlock button 2 times. Now what that does is this puts this into sleep mode. Now if I walk up to the truck, it won't unlock it. So you can see I have the key fob in my hand, I walk up, and it will not unlock. That's because I have turned off the key fob, put it into sleep mode. So now it's not constantly communicating. So that's an easy way to put your key fob in sleep mode. Now if you want to turn it back on, all you gotta do is just press any of the buttons and it turns it back on. So I can lock and unlock. Now another option is to get a Faraday pouch, and what this does is it actually blocks the signal from your key fob, so that way you don't have to keep pressing the buttons to put this into sleep mode, and all you do is you put this inside the pouch here and this will block the signal from your key fob. I picked this up off of Amazon for $8. It came in a 2-pack. There you go. You can store it in your house just like that, and this will block the signal so that thieves can't potentially steal that signal. Now moving on to tip number 3, which is to get yourself an OBD2 reader lock. Now every modern vehicle these days has an OBD2 reader port, which is located underneath the driver's side here. And what that does is allows mechanics to plug into that port. You can read codes with it, but if thieves get in, they can potentially use that port to reprogram a new key. So essentially you just slip this over the OBD2 reader port, and there's a special screw that goes in here, prevents someone from plugging into it. Now, is it perfect? No. Could they unscrew this? Yes, but it's going to be a deterrent for them. So maybe if they got into your vehicle and they saw that, they might say, hey, look, it's not worth it. Let's move on. So to install this, you're going to take off this piece here, and you're going to slip this onto the OBD2 port right there, just like that. You're going to take this cover, slide it on, and then you're going to take the provided screw, which has a special head on it, and they give you the head right here. So you're going to screw that in. There you go. Now no one can plug into it real quick, so it's going to be a nice little deterrent. Now my tip number 4 is not about protecting your whole truck from being stolen, but actually protecting the tailgate. Now these are actually really easy to remove. It doesn't matter what generation of Tacoma you have. Tailgate theft has been a common issue for Tacomas because it's easy to take off. These can do it in 3 or 4 minutes and be on their way and potentially make $400 or $500 reselling these tailgates. So I recommend picking up a lock. I picked this one up off of Amazon. I believe the company is called Cycle. Picked this up for about $70 on Amazon. The install is super easy, and it's just another layer of protection. Install is super easy. We're going to remove this 10mm bolt right here. We're going to get the bracket, and we're going to get it in place. Put the washer on there. We'll go ahead and tighten this down. Now what we need to do is remove this bolt, and we'll put in this section that comes from Cycle. So now you're going to take this section, put it through here, and then the washer goes on the other side like that. We'll go ahead and tighten this down. There you go, easy as that. You can see that you can't actually undo this section unless you unscrew this bolt, because you can't get this off. And so, like I said, this is going to be a deterrent. Now, obviously, someone could unscrew this, could unscrew that, and then get it off, but that's going to be a lot of work. Thieves want to move quickly, and as soon as they run into something like this, they would just move on. So, peace of mind and really easy install, so I'm really happy with it. Now for my tip number 5, which is going to be the most secure option out of all of these. This is a remote kill switch. The one that I have is from a company called 4122, and I've actually been really happy with this so far. The install is super easy. But what this does is it allows you to be able to turn on and off the ignition relay switch. And so if you have it off, the vehicle will not start. And so even if thieves were able to get inside, they're not going to be able to start the vehicle. They would have to have the OEM relay switch to replace that in the fuse box, and they're just not going to have that available, and there's just no way for you to be able to start the truck and take it. So this is going to be the most secure option. I like this remote feature as well. I can turn it on and off as I please. I don't have to be inside the vehicle. Now they give you 2 of these remotes as well, so you could hide one in the truck and have one with you on your person, which is really cool. If you're interested in installing this, I have a full-length video on my channel if you want to check that out. But to quickly show you how this works is this comes in the 4122 kit. This replaces your factory relay for the ignition. And then you mount the 4122 control box here, and then you simply wire it up to the battery. Let me show you this in action. So I'm going to turn it off, meaning I want the vehicle to be off. I don't want it to start. Now let's go ahead and try and start it up. So we got the key fob in here, and I'm going to put my foot on the brake. I'm going to push the start button. And you can see here, it doesn't start. Now I'm going to pull out the remote, and I'm going to hit the on button, meaning I want the truck to turn on. Got the key fob here again, put my foot on the brake, and it should start up now. There we go, pretty cool. If you want to pick up a kit like this from 4122, I have a coupon code. You can use Muscle American for 10% off. I'll put a link down in the description as well. None of these make your truck impossible to steal, but it does make it a lot harder, and that's the ultimate goal here. These are cheap and easy ways that you can add just layers of protection so that your vehicle doesn't get stolen. Hopefully these 5 tips were useful for you guys. I really try to do my best to bring you new and original content. Let me know down in the comments if you've done something differently, something that you found that adds another layer of protection. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.